Students, as we are doing the division chapter, so let us understand what is division. We have already done the warm-up exercise, so where we know what do you mean by divisor, dividend and the quotient, and you also know somehow what is remainder also. Okay, so let us understood here. So here you can see the division statement can be written in different forms, different way, called the long method of division. Okay, so considering the division statement, that is 12 divided by 3 is equals to 4. So how you are going to do this in the long division method? Okay, how you are going to do the long division method? So to long division method, what you have to do, you have to draw this type of diagram. One curved line you will draw and one straight line here. Okay, so you, as you know that this is your dividend. Okay, this is your dividend, this is your divisor, this is your divisor, and this is your quotient. Okay, so how to do this in? So first step, what you have to do, you have to draw the symbol as shown here to do the long division method. So what you have to do, the second statement, that you have to write the dividend inside it. What you are going to write? You have to write the dividend inside. Okay, first is to draw the symbol, this one. Second thing is you have to write the dividend inside. Okay, dividend here. The number which you are going to, dividend means what? The number which you are going to divide. Okay, that is your here 12. And the number which you are going to divide, then you, what you have to do? Outside you will write the divisor. What you will write? You will write the divisor. And the number with which dividend is divided by the divisor, the answer which we are going to get, that is your quotient, that we will write on the top. Okay, as we know that 12 divided by 3 is equals to 4. So in this long division method, 12 we will write inside. Okay, and we have to divide it by 3. Okay, so when we have written here 3, so 3 divided by 12, in 3's table 12 comes how many times? 12 comes 4 times. So that 4 we are going to write on the top of it. Okay, so this is the process. And one thing more, and the fifth step is what? When you have written, you know that what you have to do now, you know that 3 4s are 12. Okay, why we have written 12? And the product which we have just now said, the product of this, the divisor and the quotient, the product of the division and the quotient, that is 3 into 4, that is equals to 12. So we will write here 12, and that we are going to subtract from here. Okay, after that what we have to do, we have to subtract it. So 12 minus 12, it will be 0 here. Okay, so this is the simple one. If one thing more I am doing, that 14 is there. 14 you have to, 14 divided by 3 given. So what will be the answer? So to find out this, you are going to write 14 here. First of all, you have to draw the symbol. Then you will put the, you will write the dividend inside and the divisor outside. So then you have to write the quotient. In 3's table 14 doesn't come. Less than 14 what comes? It's 12. So it comes how many times? 4s are. Okay, and what you have to write? You have to write the product here. Okay, below the dividend, what you have to write? You have to write the product. That is 3 4s are 12. So that this product, when you have written, you have to subtract it. That is 14 minus 12 gives you 2, or else what you can do? 4 minus 2 0. 4 minus 2 2. 1 minus 1 0. So you have, what you have got now here, that is, this is your remainder. Okay, this is your remainder. Let us clear it more. with the concept of remainder. I'm going to explain you after this this one. Look at here. Here now we are going to do the division with the remainder. So here you can see that 15 balloons are there. So 15 balloons you are going to divide among 4 students. Okay, so among 4 students, when you are going to divide 15 balloons, you are going to distributed among 4 children equally. Okay, so 4 children equally it has been distributed. So when you are, what you have to do, you have to see that 15, what you have to do, 15 you are going to write. This means what statement, division statement will be here, that 15 divided by 4. Division statement is here, that is 15 divided by 4. So 4, what you are going to do, you will write the dividend inside, 4 divisor outside. Now in 4's table 15 comes how many times? 15 doesn't come. Yes or no? So what comes? 12 comes. So how many times does it come? It comes in 3 times. So 3 is a 12. Okay, the product of this we are going to write here. So what we are going to get here, that 15 minus 12 gives you 3 here. So we have to subtract here as the remainder. So this 15 cannot be distributed equally among 4. There are left over 3 left over extra. Okay, this extra is known as your remainder. What does it known as? This is known as your remainder. Okay, this is your divisor. This is your dividend, and this is your quotient. Okay, so in this way, how you are going, and one thing more, that in this case remainder is 3 here. That means what you have got, that divisor into quotient. Okay, that should be divisor quotient plus remainder is equals to the dividend. Okay, is equals to the dividend. This means what? That divisor is 4 into quotient is 3, then written plus remainder is 3 here. Okay, that is equals to, that will comes equals to dividend. So you know that 4 into 3 is equals to 12. 12 plus 3, that is equals to 15. So 15 is equals to the dividend. Yes or no? So in this way you are going to, this is the way to check also. Okay, to check your division you can use this formula, that is divisor into quotient plus remainder, that gives you the dividend. Okay students, if the, listen, if the same, this 15 balloons are going to divide among 5 students, so it can be easily divided. Yes or no? It can be easily divided into 3 students among 5 students, as 15 divided by 5 is equals to, you know that 15 divided by 5 is equals to 3. Yes or no? So this is also, you must know that division is the opposite of multiplication. From there this formula has been driven out. That means 3 into 5. There are 3 children and 5 balloons got each got 5 balloons. That is 3 into 5, that is equals to 15. Yes or no? We know that this is your dividend, this is your divisor, and this is your quotient. So to find out this, what we have done here, we have divided the quotient into divisor to get the dividend. Yes or no? So from this, if there is left over anything, that we are going to add to the product of this. Okay. So in this way, you are going to do the questions which I am going to give you in the extra question also I am going to give you, and some of the questions given in the practice, that is page number 64, that you are going to do in the book itself. Okay. Extra question you will do in the notebook. All the best to you all students.